In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile an account in QuickBooks Online. Reconciliation is an important step because it helps you make sure your QuickBooks records match your bank or credit card statement. In other words, it's a simple way to confirm that the transactions in your books are accurate and complete. Once you get familiar with the process, it becomes a quick routine you can do regularly to keep your accounts in good shape. To begin, go to the top right corner of QuickBooks Online and click the gear icon. This is where you'll find a variety of settings and tools, including the reconciliation feature. From the menu, select Reconcile. This will take you to the screen where you can begin matching your account activity against your statement. Once you're there, choose the account you want to reconcile. Make sure you're selecting the same bank or credit card account that appears on your statement. Then enter the statement ending balance and the statement ending date exactly as they appear on that statement. Accuracy here is important because even a small mismatch can make the reconciliation more difficult later on. After that, click Start Reconciling. QuickBooks will open the reconciliation window and display the list of transactions for that account. Now you can begin reviewing the transactions shown on the screen. As you compare them to your statement, tick the circles on the right side of each transaction that is correct. This marks those transactions as cleared. Take your time here and work carefully, especially if you're dealing with a lot of entries. The goal is to make sure the transactions in QuickBooks line up with what actually appears on your statement. As you go, QuickBooks helps you track your progress, which makes it easier to see whether everything is balancing properly. If you're working through a long list, it's perfectly fine to move at a steady pace instead of rushing through it. Once you've finished reviewing and marking the correct transactions, that's essentially the reconciliation process complete. If you're able to finish everything in one sitting, you can complete it all at once. If not, you also have the option to click Save for Later at the top right. That way you won't lose your progress and can come back to finish the reconciliation when you're ready. And that's all there is to it. That's how to reconcile an account in QuickBooks Online.